Hello everyone, we are going to see about introduction to directives. Directives are a powerful feature in AngularJS that allows you to extend HTML with new attributes and elements, as well as creating reusable components and behavior within your application. They are markers on the DOM element that tells AngularJS HTML compiler ng app to attach a specified behavior to that DOM element or even transform the DOM elements into its children. Key concept: custom behavior. Directives enable you to create custom behavior that can apply to HTML elements. For example, you can create directives to handle user interaction, manipulate the DOM, or even communicate with external services. Code reusability. Directives promote code reusability by encapsulating complex functionalities into reusable components. Once defined, directives can be easily reused throughout your application, reducing duplication and promoting maintainability. Enhanced HTML. Directives allows you to extend HTML with new attributes and elements that represent specific behavior or functionalities. This enhances the expressiveness of HTML and make it more closely aligned with the application requirements. Separation of concern. Directives helps in separating the concerns of an application by encapsulating DOM manipulation and behavior logic within reusable components. This promotes a cleaner and more modular architecture, making it easier to manage and maintain the code base. AngularJS built-in directives. AngularJS provides a set of built-in directives that offer commonly used functionalities out of the box. For example, including ng model for two-way data binding, ng click for handling click events, ng show and ng hide for conditionally display elements, and many more. Creative directives. In AngularJS, you can create custom directive using module.directive method. Directives can be defined as either elements directives, attribute directives, class directives, or commit directives, depending on how they are used in HTML. Now I am going to show you simple directive that adds a custom behavior to an HTML element. In the body, div ng app equal to my app. Introduction to directives. Div hello I am a custom directive. In the div we want to give my directive, and then we want to write a script. Now I want to define the AngularJS module. For that, Angular dot module my app comma empty array. Next, defining the custom directive dot directive my directive comma function. In the function I want to return restrict A stands for attribute element directive, and I want to give a link function scope comma element address element dot on mouse enter comma function, and inside the function element dot css background color light blue. Next, element dot on mouse sleeve function element dot css background color empty. If I run this, see, when I take my mouse into this, it was a background color as changed. If I move it, the background color is gone. Like this, the code will do. We defined an Angular module called my app. Inside the module, we defined a custom directive called my directive. The my directive is configured to be an attribute directive restrict A, meaning it can be used as an attribute on HTML element. In the directive link function, we define the custom behavior, changing the background color of an element to light blue when the mouse enters it, and resetting it to its default color when the mouse leaves. We use the custom directive my directive on a div element in the HTML element. When this directive is applied, it has the custom behavior defined in the directive to the element. When you run this code in the browser, you will see a div element with the text "Hello, I am a custom directive." When you hover your mouse over the element, its background color will change to light blue, and when you move the mouse away, it will revert to its default color. This demonstrates the custom behavior added by the directive. Advantages of directive: reusability. Directive promote code reusability by encapsulating behavior and functionality into reusable components. Enhanced HTML. Directives allows you to enhance HTML with custom attributes and elements, making it more expressive and closely aligned with the application requirements. Separation of concerns. Directives helps in separating the concerns of an application by encapsulating DOM, manipulating and behavior logic within reusable components. Modularity. Directives contribute to a modular architecture by allowing you to break down complex UI components into smaller more manageable pieces. In summary, directives are a powerful features in AngularJS that enables you to extend HTML with custom behavior and create reusable components within your application. They promote code reusability, enhance HTML, facilitate separation of functions, and contribute to a modular architecture. Thank you.